These are the deals for CVS for the week of May 10th through the 16th. First, CVS has the CoverGirl cosmetics are on sale. When you spend $20, you'll get back 5 in extra care bucks. Plus, they'll give you a free movie ticket. If you get the CoverGirl Bombshell Brow Pow, it's a powder for your eyebrow. Also, it can be used as an eyeliner. It's $11.99. And one of the CoverGirl Lip Perfection Jumbo Balm, they're $8.99. And use 2 of the dollar off coupons in your Procter & Gamble newspaper insert of May 3rd or in today's Red Plum. You'll pay $18.98 out of pocket. You'll get $5 back. It's like getting each item for $7, plus you're going to get the free movie ticket. So depending on theater prices in your area, it would actually be a lot less. The Wet n Wild is on sale. When you buy 2, you'll get the 3rd item for free. If you get 3 of the 99-cent nail polishes and use 3 of the 50-cent off coupons in today's Smart Source, you'll pay 16 cents for each one. The Sally Hansen is on sale. When you spend $15, you'll get $5 back. If you get 3 of the Triple Shine nail polishes that are $4.99 and use 3 of the $1.50 off coupons found in your Red Plum of May 3rd, you'll pay $10.50 out of pocket. You'll get the $5 back. There's also a $1 Ibotta credit that you can submit for. That would make each one $1.50. If you missed Rite Aid's CeraVe deal last week, this week you can get it at CVS. Buy one, get one 50% off. There's that $6 off coupon at sharecerave.com. The Eucerin is on sale. When you spend $20, you'll get $10 back. If you get 4 of the 5-ounce size, that's $5, and use 4 of the $1.50 off coupons found in your Smart Source of May 3rd, you'll pay $14 out of pocket, get $10 back. It'd be like getting each little bottle for $1. When you slide your card under the magic coupon machine this week, you'll get a $1 off coupon for the soft soap liquid hand soap, making it 88 cents. The Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner is on sale for $2.99. There's a $2 off coupon in your Red Plum of April 26th. That would make it $1 out of pocket. The L'Oreal Advanced shampoo or conditioner is on sale. When you spend $15, you'll get $5 back as an extra care buck. If you get 4 of them, they're $4.50 each, and use 4 of the $2 off coupons found in your Red Plum of April 26th or found at l'orealparisusa.com, you'll pay $10 out of pocket, get $5 back. It'd be like getting each bottle for $1.25. The Pantene is on sale this week. If you get the stylers, they're on sale 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you'll get $1 back as an extra care buck. There's a $2 off coupon for the styler in your Procter & Gamble of May 3rd or your Smart Source newspaper insert of April 12th. That means you'd pay 4 out of pocket, get the $1 back. It'd be like getting each bottle for $1.50. The Aveeno is on sale. When you spend $30, you'll get back 10. Plus, it's on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. If you get 2 of the sunscreens, the 4-ounce that are $11.99, and 2 of the Active Naturals shampoos, the 10.5 ounce that's $7.99, and use one $3 off coupon for Aveeno Sun Care in your Smart Source of May 3rd, and one $2 off coupon for Aveeno Sun Care in your Smart Source of May 3rd, and one $3 off 2 coupon for the hair care found in your Smart Source of May 3rd. You'll pay $22 out of pocket, get the $10 back. It'd be like getting each item for $3. The Colgate mouthwash is on sale for $3.99. When you spend $10, you'll get $5 back as an extra care buck. If you get 3 of them and use 3 of the $1 off coupons found in your Smart Source of May 3rd, you'll pay $8.97 out of pocket, get the $5 back. It'd be like getting each bottle for $1.32. The Listerine floss is on sale this week, 2 for $5.98. When you buy 2, you'll get $2 back as an extra care buck. There's a $1 off coupon for the floss at coupons.com or healthyessentials.com. If you buy 2 and use 2 coupons, you'll pay 4 out of pocket, get $2 back. It'd be like getting each floss for $1. The moneymaker this week is the Tina. If you get 2 of the 26 count liners that are $4.19 on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. Plus, when you purchase 2, you'll get $4 back. And use one $5 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source of April 26. You'll pay $1.28 out of pocket. You'll get $4 back. It's a $2.72 moneymaker. The 24 to 30 count Excedrin is on sale for $5, and when you buy one, you'll get $2 back. There's a $2 off coupon in your Smart Source of today. That means you pay 3 out of pocket, get the $2 back. It's like getting the bottle for $1. The Puffs tissue, the 48 to 56 count, is on sale for $1. There's a $1.50 off 3 coupon in your Procter & Gamble of May 3rd. If you buy 3 and use the coupon, You'll pay 50 cents for each one. The soft scrub is on sale, buy one get one free. And actually when I went this past week, I noticed that the soft scrub was on sale like 30% off. At my particular store no longer be carrying it. If you get 2 of them, they're $3.99 each, and use 2 of the dollar off coupons found at softscrub.com. Or in your Red Plum of April 26th, you'll pay $1 for each one. The Kashi cereal is on sale too for $6 this week. When you buy 2, you'll get $2 back. There's a $1 off 2 coupon in your Red Plum of April 12th. If you buy 2 and use the coupon, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, get the $2 back. It's like getting each box for $1.50. The Maxwell House coffee, the 11 to 11.5 ounce size, is on sale for $2.99. There's a $1 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source of March 29th. If you buy 2 and use the coupon, you'll pay $2.50 a can. The Coke is on sale 4 for $12 this week. That's the best deal out of any of the drugstores on Coke. To find the products that I've mentioned in this video, you can click Show More to hit the down bar, and you can see a list of things. And if you like this kind of video and would like to see me make more of them, click like and let me know. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos, like the daily ones, hit subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you.